Hi, here's a video on showing you how to create an animated GIF file. So you're going to do that using Screencastify. So click on Screencastify here, should be one of your extensions that are up here. If not, you can add it in as an extension. And you're going to go ahead and just create a video. You can leave your microphone and your webcam off. So I'm going to record a video here. It's asking me what I want to record. I'll just record this main screen.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, counting down, here it goes. Let's just say I want to show clicking on this word work. And once it finishes there, I can go ahead and click pause. All right, once I hit pause on the recording here, should allow me to go ahead and hit save. Let me slide this down a little so I can see it. There we go. And it's opening up here. And then you can click download as export animated GIF. Pick the file size and just click export. You'll see it's processing down here. It'll continue processing up here, usually just takes a minute or so. Then you can save it to your disk and you've got yourself an animated GIF. And I can show you what it looks like. Here it goes. It's kind of showing you how I'm clicking on the link. So that's the animated GIF. Hope it helps you guys.